Let's make one of my Totoro project kits. First, remove the white foam eyes and the black pupils from the detail card. Next, remove the small hole at the center of each eye. Push one pupil into each opening until flush. Gently push each eye into the face. Remove the gray belly piece and set aside. Remove the chevrons from the white belly piece. Place inside the body. It will be a tight fit. Remove the gray chevrons and place in the corresponding place on the white belly. Pull out each chevron from the back to avoid compressing and damaging the front surface. Turn the body face down. Align the arm lift to the back as shown and secure with adhesive. Remove the paper backing from the back layer. Starting with the ears, lightly press onto the back of the body, aligning it with the outer edges of the body. Gently push the arm forward at the arm lift area to make an indent. This will push the arm outwards on the front surface. Align the nose as shown. Secure in place with adhesive. Align the right claw as shown. Secure in place with adhesive. Place the umbrella shaft over the engraved area as shown and glue in place. Dispense a small amount of adhesive to the details card. Dip the whisker stem into the glue and insert into the small hole on the face. Align the whisker to the scored guideline. Repeat for all whiskers. Position the canopy so the scored lines and engraved panel are facing up. Apply adhesive to the engraved panel and position it underneath the adjoining panel. Apply adhesive to the flat edge of the stand. Orient the stand with the star facing up and press together, centering the scored lines. Place the umbrella canopy over the shaft and glue in place. All done. No painting or finishing is needed. Thanks for following along, and I hope you had fun.